Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
It's December 3rd and it's completely dark outside. Well, it gets dark at 3 p.m, so that doesn't say anything. Anyway, here I am in my pajamas and it's time for a beer. Here's Beery Christmas. We have opened number 1 and number 2. So now we have to trace our way through this slithering path all the way over there. We found it! Number 3. So let's see, number 3 goes well with roasted pork. I don't have any roasted pork, but I have a beer. So that's fine. Negu Berria. More languages I have no idea how to pronounce. And it's a hazelnut brown ale. What's a brown ale? Can anyone tell me, please? Yeah. So let's see here. Here's a glass. A nice little switch of hands. I'm covering up the beer. That wasn't so clever, was it? There it is, amber colored. And it smells horrible. Crap! Who has done what in my bottle?